Hey everybody. Hope everybody is doing well and having a pretty good start to their new year. So for this Friday and every Friday going forward, I would like to do a Project Life video. I'm going to hold myself to it. That way once a week, I know that I have a quote unquote deadline to do a Project Life spread. And I hope that you join me. I'd love it if you would share your Project Life spreads either here or on my Instagram at Mrs. Scrap and Plan, and let's catch up on our Project Life spreads. So that is my plan. Once a week, Fridays, I will share a video of the Project Life spread that I put together, and I will hopefully finish up 2019 and 2020. I don't know what I'm doing for this year yet. I'm thinking 6 by 12, but I'm not sure yet. I will share my plans when I get there. This is my first spread that I put together. It is November part 1, and it uses Ali Edwards Together kit. So I am going to put it together. It's going to be super quick, and I hope you enjoy. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to voiceover now. All right, here we go. This is a huge pile of all the stuff that I printed. Eventually, I will print all my photos through Persnickety, but I wanted to get started and start the year off with my Friday Project Life idea and get myself in gear to get caught up. Using the Ali Edwards kit, like I mentioned, together, and I built this spread in Photoshop Elements. I'm adding some of the bubbles, a geotag, a heart, and then 2 of them have captions. And I also used 2 of the filler cards with the gray hearts and then the waves, and I also used a journaling card to type out my journaling ahead of time. Now I'm just going to add in some phrases. I have November memories, but I didn't like how it came out, so I'm going to restamp it. You guys, I'm such a fussy stamper now. I can't believe this. So I'm stamping it again to make sure I get a good impression that I like. And so I stamped that, and then I'm going to stamp gathering to put over on the photo of me with some friends last year. And I'm also going to stamp full of thanks. And I needed to stamp the gathering right then because I knew I was going to stamp a phrase right below it. So that's why I had to cut it out real quick, and then I could stamp what I wanted below it. And then when I was digging through my Stories by the Month stamps, I saw the leaf stamp, and I can't resist leaf stamps, no matter how hard they are to cut out for me. So I am stamping a bunch of leaves in red, orange, and brown, I believe. And then I'm stamping the veins, is that what they're called? The inside of the leaves. And so I am going to fussy cut those out in a little bit. Also stamping full of thanks as well. Okay, going back to the spread, I am going to put everything together, but first I have to cut out those leaves. I'm just adhering down the different bubbles that I have. The photo of my daughter is so cute. I love how it shows her green eyes. I just love it. And also that photo of my husband and I cycling, I love that one as well. Gonna add a little stamp sentiment at the bottom of Always Better Together Always. I think it says, "This is our life." Okay, and so I start fussy cutting the leaves right on top of the spread, and I thought, that's going to get little scraps of paper all over my spread. So I grabbed my little cutting board that I always forget to use, and I'm going to pull it out, and I'm going to start fussy cutting out the different leaves. I took most of this process out because I know that's not exciting to see. So I am just going to cut those out and then use those around my spread and try not to make things complicated. All right, so that is done. And also while I was digging through my Ali Edwards stash, I found some wood veneer leaves, and I will use a few of those. On this wavy card, I'm going to make a cluster of wood veneer and stamped. Same thing with this Come Together card. I am going to put that over on the far right of the gray card and then just add that cluster. Full of Thanks is going to go with my son. And then for this photo, I put a leaf right on the edge. Hopefully it works once I put it in the pocket. Adhering down the Come Together cluster always makes me think of the Beatles song. The Come Together, when I say that phrase, makes me think of that. Gonna add November memories to this yellow tree photo, and that pocket down there is actually gonna be a flip pocket. I'm not sure if I found my flip pockets by the time I finished by the time I finished filming this video, but that is gonna be a flip pocket. My final touch is going to be some black word strip stickers just to add a little contrast, and just because I love word phrase stickers. Adding the picture perfect to the photo of me with my leaves, one to my son, and then there you go. That's it. I am going to make this quick, and I am going to conquer Project Life, guys. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this first Friday Project Life. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you want to keep seeing my videos. All right, I hope you have a great day. Bye.